So I am, since Xxlightningthewolf, the wolf, you get it, told me that she wants to act as some girls and her character in this. I'm going to say the things I think she might like to enjoy acting as. So there's another one called Blizzard. He is the leader. I'm going to act as him. Because why not? And yeah, again, if you see anything, tell me in the comments, alright? Pay attention to that background, but don't pay more attention to it than the video. So yeah. But anyways, so I think you'll enjoy acting as... let's see. You'll enjoy acting as Moth, definitely. Since Owl's a girl, you'll enjoy acting as Owl as well. Because Owl, he's cute. Of course, Lightning. And I'm going to write down your lines for you. So a line for Owl is humming. Another line is daylight, shut it now, that came from Moth. So you'll enjoy it as your favorite Moth and Owl, I think. Yes, Owl does die early on. I'm so sorry. I think I'll also enjoy acting as Daylight. That's true. Now Daylight says, don't tell me what to do. And your other line for Lightning is plain out just. That's silly. Everyone knows wolves live near the lake. Because Moth points that out in front of everybody. Alright, so we have Owl humming, so you just do stuff like that. Moth, daylight, shut it now. Moth says that. And Daylight says this, don't tell me what to do. So those are your lines, and you also just say for Lightning. That's silly. Everyone knows wolves live near the lake. Yeah. I apparently am gonna do more research into this. So yeah, bye. Stay awesome. Hope you like your lines.